Hey guys, this is Put Spice, and I am here to do my first Saturday morning makes. Jill Norwood has been putting this on, who is Greenwood Girls, for like, ooh, 2 years that I know of, maybe even 3 years. And so I've always been wanting to do it on, and then I just never get around to doing it. So I needed to make a Father's Day card for Mr. Man. So I decided, like, hey, we will do that for my first Jill Norwood Saturday makes. And it was simple. So I have two things. I have this Paper House 3D stickers. And I got these as a free gift from scrapbook.com when I did an order from them. And so I used this sticker here, and it's 3D, so I took one layer of this number one thing off. So I took that off, and then they had one down here, so I used that sticker. Then I had some paper from a craft kit, and then I have this paw print folded die from Stamps of Life, and so you can see it, so you can make it go this way or you can have it open that way. So I did that, and here it is. So it says number one, Father's knows best. And we don't have human children, we have two babies that are fur babies, so that's why I went with the paw print. And on the inside it says Happy Fur Father's Day. And this is one of the little stickers that was in there, and then I put love our babies. So there you go. Check out the other ladies who participate, and I shall see you guys later. Follow the hashtag below. Thanks for watching.